So what I am doing is I am just opening the shipping case form. So to open the shipping case form, do I have to go to tables? What we can do to open the shipping case form? Hmm? So we can use application menus. We can just click on create new. You can directly open the form. You don't have to go to the table. So here guys, to your right click, you can see save. You can see submit. What is this save? What is this submit? Okay. Okay. Let me just take a notepad. Save, create the record. Submit will also create the record. Save will create the record and submit also will create the record. Okay. And save will create the record and stays on the same record that is created. And we redirect it to previous page. Will be redirected to previous page. Okay. And similarly, we have save, we have update. So save now here will update the record. Hmm? Save will create the record and stays on the same form that is created. And save will update the record and stays on the same record that is updated. I'll show you now practically. So we are actually at the shipping case form, right? If I click on submit, it will create the record. It will create the record, but it will not stay on the same form. You can see once I click on this one, it is not actually on the same record. It is redirected to the list. So if I open the shipping case form again, if I use save here, it also will create the record, but it will stay on the same form. Has it stayed on the same form? Did it, after saving it, did it redirect to any other page? No, right? But when you clicked on submit, what has happened? It redirected to a previous page. Okay. So I'm just opening the shipping case form now. What is this number? 1054, right? I'm just using submit here. When I use submit here, what is happening here? It did not stay on the same form. It did not stay on the same form. If you use save here, it has created the record, it has stayed on the same form. You understand, right? The difference between submit and save? Everyone? Hello? Is that clear? Okay, now I will tell you the difference between update and save. Okay, I'm just changing the value here to something. I have clicked on update. When you click on update, it will update the record, but it will not stay on the same form. You can see 1055, right? If I click on update, where is it going? Is it staying on the same form? So let me just open this particular record. I have just changed the category to hardware here, and I am using save here. Now save is updating the record. Save is updating the record. It is staying on the same form. See here, this is a new record. System ID is -1. System ID is -1. New record. So here, if you use save here, it will create the record. It will stay on the same form. System ID is not -1. It number is generated. This is an existing record. So if record already exists, we can update that. To update that, you will use this one. You will update the field values. If you click on update, it will update the record. It will redirect to the previous page. And if you use save here, it will update the record and it will stay on the same form. Save will create the record if it is a new record and stays on the same form. Save will update the record if it is an existing record, it will stay on the same form. Now recording started. Recording is going on. Okay. That is clear, right? Now, this record is a created record, right? You can see insert and stay. Insert, insert and stay. Okay. Create another record. Create another new record. New record. Create another new record with a different number. Okay, it will stay on the newly created record. So that means, guys, okay, if I use insert here, it will create a new record with a different number, 1057, something like that. If I use insert here, it will create a new record with a different number, and that means another record will be created with a different number, and it will redirect to the previous page. Let me just click on. So 1057 record is created or not, we will see. 1057. This one is created just now. Just now it is created. So if I use insert here, it will create another record with 1058 number. It will redirect to the previous page. Getting my point? It has redirected to the previous page or not? Okay. So it would have created 1058 record. 1058 record is created just now. So if I use insert and stay, it will create 1059 record. It will create another record with a 1059 number. It will stay on 1059 number. Okay, you can see insert and stay. So it has created 1059 record and it has stayed on that record, right? Okay. So here I am creating a new field here. I am creating a new field on this particular table. Let me just navigate to the tables. So we have created a table called shipping case table, right? Go to the shipping case table. So now you guys can see I'm just creating a new field from here. So the field type will be true or false. True or false. External user. Okay. So here I am going to use submit. I'm not using save here. I'm going to use submit here because field should be created. It should redirect to the table again. Field should be created. It should redirect to the table again. So it is creating the field. Now you can see it is creating the field. It is redirected to the table or not. So is it saving the time or not? Getting my point? So in this case, I have used submit. Okay. So I have to modify a field. And I'll open this particular field, assign to field. So I want to remove this property and update this one. Once you click on this update, what happens? It will redirect to the previous page. Understand my point? You can see this save, submit, save, update, insert and stay on every form. You guys are clear, right? Hope everybody is clear. Did I tell you about this SN utils? I did tell you about SN utils, right? SN utils extension. Okay. So if you use SN utils for Chrome here, you have to choose this one. You have to click on Add to Chrome. After you clicking on Add to Chrome, okay, let's click on Show Form here. So you can see the extensions here. So this is actually an extension. SN Utils. Go to the settings. Okay, show technical names on the page load. If you select this one, you can just select this one, that's it. And go and refresh this form. On every form load, it will show the labels and technical names. It will show the labels and technical names. You can see this is the table label, table name, field label, field name. Here this is choice label, choice name. So here also you can see choice label, choice name. Getting my point? So if you want to get this value, you can just copy this one. You can just double click on this one. You can see field type is reference. Field name is U underscore caller. Field value is this one. So here Uday Gadiparthi is the display value. In the user table, see here in the finance case, in the shipping case, what is the display value? Display value, for display value, we have created another field where we are combining number field and short description field together. We are showing that as a display name. Likewise, in the user table, there is a display name. Okay, there is a display name. As for the display name, it is showing Uday Gadiparthi. Okay. So here we will see the display names, but whenever we get the field value, we will get the system ID. Uday Gadiparthi system ID is this one. Getting my point? So if you want to copy the choice values, you can see here. If you want to copy this choice value from here, you can't copy it from here. You can't copy it from here. You can just double click on this one. So you can copy this value. You understand my point? So let us say here, this walk-in value I want to copy. You can double click on this one. You can just copy the value of the walk-in here. Getting my point? You can copy this value. So this is actually so for reference fields, you will see it in blue color. See here, this is color is a reference field. Configuration item is a reference field. Assignment group is a reference field. For reference fields, you will be seeing it in a blue color. You can just open this one. Okay. You are able to see the reference record here. If you just open this one, you are able to see list of records, configuration items. Okay. That is actually showing reference. You click on assignment group. It is showing the group records. If you just open this one, it is opening the group record. Okay. That's a reference field. You understand, right? The shortcut. It will save a lot of time when in the development. While you are in the development, it will save your time. So normally we will have to right click and we will have to see this one. What is the field name and all. Instead of that, you can double click on it. You can double click anywhere. You will be able to see the technical names on the form. Okay. That is clear, right? If you have not downloaded the SN Utils for Chrome, if you haven't added the extension to your browser, you can see the technical names by right clicking on this one. And you have to click on This one from here you have to use 2 or 3 clicks. You can still see, but by default it will show you without any uh, without, you don't have to click right click, you don't have to click on show user, show caller. All these things are not required. Getting my point? Okay. If that is clear, now I will tell you, in the database we have a lot of tables, right? In every table the data is stored in the rows and columns format, right? How to filter the data? Now we are going to understand. If you just go to the incident application menu, if you just click on open here, so in the incident table, how many records are there? 3,15,683 records are there. Total in the incident table, you can see active filters is there. Click on all. Click on all. So we have 3,15,792 incident records are there. Out of these, how many new incidents are there? New incidents. So you can right click and click on show matching. So we have 637 new incidents are there. Okay. Getting my point? So you can see condition is applied here as state is new. And again, just click on all. I want to see in the in progress state, how many incidents are there? There are actually 10,048 records which are in the in progress state. You can see the filter is applied as state is in progress. And how many are in the closed state? I want to observe. There are 100 records. If you go to the application menu, if you click on assign to me, so where active is true, assigned to is Uday Gadiparthi. Filter is applied here, right? Filter. How this filter is applied? In the module, if you go to the edit module, you can see list of records, filter, link type is active is true, and assigned to is, this is JavaScript. This is JavaScript. Okay, get my assignment group, my assignment. Okay, so he applied a filter here. Just go there and click on open here. If you click on open, in the module, we have set up a filter. So where active is true are coming under open instance. And open and unassigned, where active is true and assigned to is empty. Where active is true and assigned to is empty. Resolved. You can see, if you click on all incidents, no filter, without filter. Okay. So in the incident table, we have 3,15,792 records are there. Out of those records, we can filter from here. We can apply the filters. If you just see where active is true, and assigned to is not empty. The record should not be closed, should not be in the closed state, and assigned to should not be empty. So you can see there are actually 10,038 records where state active is true and assigned to is not empty. Not empty. Hmm? I didn't understand your question. No difference. No difference. See, I can. While you go through matching, we can. Yeah. See, let me just pull active field to the right side and assign to field. Okay, you can say active true. Active show matching. Filter is automatically built. No difference. Active true. Okay. Here, not empty, right? You can just use not equal to null. Not equal to null means not empty. Assign to not equal to null. See, both are same. Both are same. You can use show matching to apply the filter. You can use this search to apply the filter. You can use filter to apply the filter. You can do anything. Okay. So I want to filter the records where short description empty and the description both empty. Short description and description both should be empty. Short description is empty and description is also empty. It is taking some time to filter the records. You can see there are actually 15 records where short description and description both are empty. So we will open the users list. User table list I am actually opening. Okay. So I want to filter this users list where all the users whose name is starting with A letter. Name starts with A letter. So I am able to filter the records whose name is starting with A or not. You can see these all are the users whose name is starting with A letter. Hmm? Whose name is starting with A letter. So I want to filter the records whose email address is empty. So go to this place and keep email is empty. You can see there are 71 records whose user's email address is empty. Okay. So likewise, we can filter the table data. We can filter the table data. We are able to filter the user data. We are able to filter the incident data. We can also filter the shipping case table data as well. So shipping case table name is u underscore shipping underscore case, right? So in the shipping case, how many are in the new state? How many are in the in progress state? How many are in the closed state? I want to see. Where state is new. How many shipping cases are in the new state? There are 10 records which are in the new state. How many are in the closed state? There is no record which is in the closed state. So how many records? Assigned to is not empty. Assigned to is not empty. Getting my point?
Can we go through assigning and assigning records like 1052 1053 like order by?
Yeah, we can use this column options and click on Z to A to Z. You can go in order by descending order and ascending order. So let us say, guys, you have created a shipping case record. And to find that which record that is created, you can just use created field. Okay, you can just click on this one. So this one is actually created 22 minutes ago. If you click on order by, you can see 11 days ago this is created. So order by descending order means latest created records. Order by ascending order means oldest created records. So now we are in the ascending order. If you go to the descending order, so these are the latest created records. So I use this created and updated records to identify which record I updated latest. You getting my point? Okay. So here, right, we will use some keywords. Star. Star means contain. Star means contains. So if a number contains 59, number contains 59, only that particular record will be queried. So only this particular record number is having 59 value, right? Star 59. So this number has 59. That is why it is able to query this. Getting my point? Here I am using star Uday. Uday name star with Uday name. This name is containing Uday keyword, right? That is why it is queried only the records which is actually having color as Uday. Okay. So here star means contains. Star means contains. Equal to means exact match. So if I use this one, you don't find any record with this particular exact match. There is no record found. 9. So there is a record found with this exact number, exact match. Equal to means exact match. Star means contains. Not equal to means apart from this particular number record, show all other records. You can see apart from 59 record, it is showing all other records. Equal to, not equal to. Equal to means exact match, not equal to means doesn't match. Doesn't match. Okay. Clear, right? So like you have star, right? Not star is also there. Not star. Not star means doesn't contain. Doesn't contain. Doesn't contain 59. Okay. If you don't use any symbol, if you don't use any symbol, let us say here, I'm not using any symbol here. I'm just using Uday here. I'm not using star. I'm not using not star. I'm not using equal to, not equal to. I'm not using any symbol here. I'm directly using Uday. So here, if a name is starts with, so if it is beginning with Uday keyword, then it will filter those records. No keyword means starts with. Okay. This percentile Uday means ends with Uday. Percentile Uday means ends with Uday. So ending with Uday name, there are no records. Ending with Uday, there are no records found. Okay. So ending with the 59, you can see you are able to find ending with 59. You can see ends with 59. So these keywords will be useful for searching purpose. Okay. So those are also filters, guys. So here starts with means no symbol. Ends with means percentile. Contains means star. Doesn't contains means not star. Is means equal to. Is not means not equal to. Empty means equal to null. If you use null, right? That not equal to null we use. So here assignment group equal to null. Null means is empty. Okay, is empty. You can say assignment group is empty. Assignment group is empty is nothing but null. Assignment group is empty means assignment group is equal to null. Okay. Okay. Equal to null. If you want to filter that same, you can just mention null. Null means empty. Not equal to null. Not equal to not empty. Assignment group not empty. So likewise, we can use these shortcuts. You can see is not empty, is anything, is one of, is empty string, less than or is greater than or is between, is same, is different. So likewise, we can use all of these things to filter the records in the table. Okay, you understand, right? So we will be using these filters in tables, guys. The tables, if you want to filter the data. So if I have to filter the incident table where assigned to is empty, okay, incident records should be active and assigned to should be empty. I want to only filter only those records. So I can open the table list and I can actually apply a filter. I can filter those records. Okay, clear, right? So you are able to understand these shortcuts, how to use save, submit, save, update, insert and stay. How to use this utils for Chrome, and how to filter the data from the list. Hope everybody is clear with this one. If that is clear, tomorrow we'll be discussing about UI policies topic. Okay. Any questions from anyone, guys? Yeah, as a developer, we use all these activities in the organization instances. Priyanka. Okay. So the update sets part is clear, right, everyone? Hmm?
Yeah, yes, Uday. Uday, I mean, yesterday I have tried for the update sets. We are using with the URL also, right? In that scenario, what I have done is two PDFs I have created with the different mail IDs. And
Will
with
you
the
be
help
able
of,
to share your screen?
yes, I am logging from the system. Give me a couple of minutes, Uday.
Couple of minutes. Um, you do one thing, Anil. If you have any doubts, right, you get it ready by the time I complete the session. Okay.
Yes,
Um,
yes.
because there will be another session at 9:30. Okay, and in the meantime, I'll have to take some break and all. Okay.
Yeah.
So you get everything ready before you ask all these things. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Uday.
Yeah. What is the doubt here?
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen, Uday. Just now I'm logged in. I'm sharing my screen now.
Recording in progress.
Yeah, you're able to see my screen, right?
Yeah. Did you change the password for your instance? Hello, Anil. Did you change the password for your instance?
Yes.
So then you can use a changed password.
Yeah, that scenario also it's not working for me, Uday. That's why only I
Then
have.
you can reset the password.
No. Already I have reset the password. These things for this one, this is the dev environment, right? For this one, I have already changed the password. Changed password also I have passed here in the test environment.
You do one thing. You reset here again. The password is the issue right here.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, you can just click on reset instance password here. Yeah.
Okay.
So copy the new password.
Yeah, 1 second.
Use username as an admin.
Yes, 1 second. Yeah, okay. I am. No need right?
So you can see connection is successful.
No. Now it's a successful. Yesterday I got the different thing authorization something.
That is because you changed the password. You might have used the old password.
Yes.
So as we have reset the password, the issue started here.
Yeah.
You getting my point?
Yes, understood. Uday. Okay.
Okay, fine. So next time onwards, get the instance PDA and all ready. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Uday.
Yeah. Next week also we'll have a session on Saturdays, guys. Okay. Okay. And I see, guys. I would request you to join regularly. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.